Okay, 9,000 modified, 12 miles an hour is the speed limit. Tyler Cook from Richmond Center with 1150 Master, first tractor coming to the line. We got 8 tractors in this class. I'm sorry, I made my second mistake tonight. 12 tractors in this class. 12 miles an hour is what he's got to stay under. Coming to the line, he's at a distance of 328.55 if he wants to go in the first spot, and he's got to stay under 12 miles an hour to do it. He did it, 300.
Denver for Construction, Channel C, 6 flight feet out of Dubuque, Iowa.
Holy smokes.
I'll tell you what, he'll make a believer out of you when he comes down the track.
Okay, John Dearman from Bloomington. John Deere 4010.
Knocking on the door, knocking on the door.
6-2. There's 2 of them on that same footage mark, except for 5 inches. Bobby can take care of that by going by it. Well, not quite. 323.65.
I'll tell you, he had a good pull, Clyde. He just went.
And he's a-coming.
I don't think we got the winner of the class yet, Clyde.
That's what Quentin Coates is trying for right now.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you're driving an M4 ball and you get beat by a WD Ellis, don't see, you're not going to be the first guy that happened to. I'm living proof of that. Ooh, 30, 30, 30, way out, he's right up to
He's got the green flag, the lights are on green on the sled, and here he comes.
Well, we got 3 tractors to go. We got 2 John Deeres and a big Ford, so Jeff Evans, you're hanging on to number 1. We got a new leader, and do we have a new leader?
Okay, Brandon Parr from Retreat, Wisconsin, John Deere 4250.
South of town, LaCounty Electric, Life-Grade State Service, right in the south end of Platteville, and also Pacific Tennyson.
Oh, he was close, 341.11, but it's not close enough.